Welcome back to Sarbotam Bhattacharya. This has just arrived from Amazon. I'm sure you have watched the movie Jurassic Park 1993. It's my favorite movie of all times, and I was looking for a mug of Jurassic Park from a very long time, a coffee mug. Really, I love coffee, so now I bought it from Amazon and I'm gonna unbox it. For unboxing, I'm using a paper cutter. Be very careful using these because they are very sharp. We don't have spare fingers. If you're underage, like I always say, see that you're under adult supervision while doing this. It comes really protected. Nice. Cardboard. Here's the thing. Nothing else here. So this is the actual mug, wrapped in newspaper to protect it as much as possible. So, ladies and gentlemen, I present before you the Jurassic Park coffee mug. It's made out of ceramic and it can hold up to 30 ml. I'm sorry, very sorry, 300 ml. It has the Jurassic Park logo on both sides. It's absolutely fantastic. Very glossy, washable, fantastic, really fantastic. I really like to appreciate it. It's written here, Shopper's Bucket. That's the name of the distributor. They've imprinted their name, but that doesn't matter. Really nice. I'm going to enjoy the coffee in this. So that was all for Jurassic Park coffee mug. Many more videos will be uploaded. If you like this, give a like. If you want to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.